Alright, so the first question is, how do we set up a page view tag in Google Tag Manager? So we'll be tracking these page views using Google Analytics. Let us first go to the admin. So this is our Universal Analytics account, as you can see here. We also have a GA4 account, which we'll be dealing with later on. As of now, let's look into this account, Universal Analytics account, and we go to the view. Under the view, we go to tracking info, tracking code, and this is our tracking ID. We just need to keep a note of this. Let us just copy this right away. Alright, now let's head over to Google Tag Manager. We can either make a new tag from here, or we can go to tags. As you can see, we have all of these tags here. We'll just add a new tag here. We can just name it page view, all pages. Alright, now under tag confirmation, we need a Google Analytics Universal Analytics tag. So we go ahead, tag type will be page view. Now here we can set a settings variable. You can either set a settings variable. I think you can even no, I don't think it is possible here, but let us set up a new settings variable. So we'll add up a new variable. So this variable will name it GA settings, and the tracking ID which we copied from here goes here. So there you go, and let's save this. So this is done. Now under the trigger, we need to select all pages, page view. It is possible that some of you might not find it here, so we just go ahead and add a new one. You can go ahead and make a new trigger itself. All pages, let's keep it 2 because there is already one which is existing here, and this is page view, and this trigger will fire on all page views. So that is done. Let us save it. Save this one as well, and that's it, we're done. Now when it comes to GA4, we have this GA4 account for the same say client. You go to the admin. For GA4, you go to data streams. So here you have all the different streams on which your data, on which your tracking is being done. You go here, and here you have something called a measurement ID. Let us copy this and make a new tag. Let's name this GA4 page view, all pages. Go to tag configuration. First we need to form a GA4 configuration here. So let us just make that. Measurement ID is here. Send page view event when this configuration loads. So what happens now is that every time you open a website on which this has been installed, you will get a page view event will get fired. Okay, then we'll go to trigger, and again we had made this trigger all pages too, so let's use it and save. That's it, that's done. Now the third question was set up triggers to track click interactions with Google Tag Manager. For that, let's make a new tag again. Let us name it all clicks. So this one will be a GA4 event. Configuration tag will be this one. Let us give it an event name, click. It will get triggered on. Let us add a new trigger here. we will go with all elements. So there are two triggers here. One is all elements, one is just links. So this one will use when we are just clicking on a link. This is for clicking on all the elements on the page. So if you click anywhere on the page, this will fire. So yeah, so this trigger fires on all clicks. So now every time you click on the page, this event will fire. Let us save this and save this, and we are done.